It's day 27 and I have the first version of VibeScan deployed live and ready to use. I just told the founding members that they could send me their user IDs so that I could enable them in the database and so they could start using the product. I'm going to get a good night's sleep and then I'll turn everybody on tomorrow and we're off to the races. Let me show you real quick what VibeScan looks like right now. So if you go here and log in for the first time, it's going to look like this. And you're going to be able to see the user ID. And if you're a founding member, you can email me this ID and I'll activate your account. Now, once it's activated, it's going to look like this. We got a project drop down over here and we have this dashboard. We can start a new scan. And there are two methods of actually uploading code right now. You can either upload a zip file or use a public Git repository. Supporting private repos is very high on my list. That's probably the next thing I'm going to work on. And I already have a strategy for doing that, so it's just a matter of implementing it. But anyway, let's go ahead and start this scan. So while it's running, you're going to first see that it gets queued, and then we have a scan that's in progress. And after about a minute, we see this populate with actual results. And this is a real scan. So I just ran this and I did fix up the explanations quite a bit. So I think they are actually pretty nice now. So when I click on this and we can read, this is like having a voice activated assistant that doesn't verify who's talking. Anyone could walk by and give it commands. This is unsafe command execution. If a hacker finds this weakness, they could potentially take control of your server, steal your data, or crash your application. So this sort of explanation really helps somebody understand the severity of some of the issues in their code, because if you use language like command injection vulnerability, that just goes over people's heads and they don't understand why it's an actual problem. We can also look at the technical details here. And of course I can copy this and paste it over into Cursor. And I have all of the details here that Cursor would need to actually fix the problem. We got the vulnerability, we got the output of the scanner, and we have a solution and proposed implementation. So this gives your AI agent everything that it needs to actually fix the problem. And soon I'm going to be working on the automated version of this where we have the auto fixes that is for the growth plan of VibeScan, where we identify these issues and you can automatically fix them. So that's going to be using either Claude Code or the Gemini CLI under the hood. So a true agentic sort of solution. And I'm going to feed these prompts in there so that we can automatically fix those problems. So for now, we're starting with these prompts, but soon enough, we'll have the automatic fixes as well. I can see my list of issues. I can go to a different project. I can also create a new project. Let me show you the upload functionality real quick. Okay, upload, start scan. We see the project get added to our list and the scan is going to start. So right now it's really focused on the security aspect, but I've laid all of the groundwork that I need to implement all of these additional modules and have everything aligned, have all of your code be secured in your account and your projects. So I'm feeling really good about the progress I've made development wise. And now it's just going to be a matter of adding features, getting feedback from the founding members. And then once it's more complete, I'm going to really shift gears and start promoting the product much more heavily, because then we'll actually have something that people can go and use. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some feedback from the founding members and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.